It's so important to us to be able to carry any customer's needs from low volume to high volume. And we work with customers from the prototype stage all the way up to the volume stages that you don't know what it's going to be until you communicate well with that customer to make sure that you plan for it. So we have to put so much planning in the tooling of it to know that it's a one-off specialty product for prototyping, or that might cover all the customer's needs, all the way up to millions of parts that they might be for an OEM product line of lines that cannot shut down. So we work very well with our customers and also with our own internal engineers and equipment designers and internal machine shop to make sure that the part has to be repeatable, it has to be what's expected, and meet or exceed the customer's needs for them to be able to continue their volume production without any shutdowns or interruptions. In the heat exchanger industry that we are in, it's pretty rare for a company to be able to handle small prototypes up to large volume, because there's such a gap between those areas that we tool up from small production runs. We make all of our equipment so it's able to manage multiple different sizes, multiple different styles, and we can tool it up in-house and be able to move to high volume, which not everyone can meet because it's bigger volume than they can handle also. So we plan to be able to meet both demands of a customer's, no matter how small or how large it is, because no matter what, it's important to them, so it's important to us. There can be multiple learning curves and issues that can come from a prototype to high production, so we always work very closely with the customer. We do dedicated work cells at times when it is needed, so that way we can have the part be repeatable. For our industry, it's very rare to have a dedicated cell for the customers, but it's so important to us to have it because we have to be able to meet that customer's needs from one part up to millions of parts, no matter what their demand is. So we don't want to have to tear down and reset up for multiple times for a job, because each time a setup, a change has just happened and we have to be able to verify that it can be able to hold and maintain that customer's needs.